you can tickle their face with the feather. Sorry. You can just play around with this, and they'll probably come to you and play with it. And right here, after the meeting, if you want to stay, you can make one of your own. So you put the what? Oh, you put the beads on the string, and then you put the pipe cleaners around the you put tape and
Alex, you guys help explain it.
But there's no tape.
Yes, this is the tape. White tape.
There's no tape.
We're gonna just tie them in a knot on the end of the stick.
Just pipe cleaners.
So you're gonna put pipe cleaners around the feather and the stick with the string in it so it stays. And then the bells. And then you're gonna hold it by the stick.
Make sure it doesn't shake off.
And what is the toy for?
It's for playing with cats. For the shelter. No kill shelter.
Wilson County, no shelter. Yeah.
Wilson County no kill shelter.
Good job, Bill.
Good job, buddy.